In this video, I'll talk about the onCompletion field that's used in application call transactions and the different values and uses they provide. The onCompletion field is used to instruct the AVM what operation or action you wish to be taken upon successful evaluation of the transaction. Typically, when you deploy a new smart contract or call an existing smart contract, you'd send an application call transaction with a default onCompletion value of 0, which is equivalent to NoOp or no operation. Here you can see a list of all the onCompletion values you can use when writing TEAL. NoOp, as I've explained, is the default value if you don't supply one, and will likely be the most common value. OptIn is the required value when a user wishes to grant local state storage on their account. You may also store local state data during the OptIn call. CloseOut is the opposite of opt-in and sometimes called opt-out, which is the polite way a user can request their local state data is removed. ClearState is the impolite way to revoke the local state data, forcefully deleting it from their account. Be aware that any transactions using this onCompletion value will always be approved and committed to a block, regardless of whether the TEAL program evaluates successfully or not. UpdateApplication will replace the approval program and ClearState program with newly supplied code. DeleteApplication will delete the approval program and ClearState program from the network's ledger, and the application ID will no longer exist. All of these onCompletion values, except for ClearState, will evaluate the approval program, whereas setting the onCompletion value to ClearState will evaluate the ClearState program. Check out the video on TEAL approval and ClearState for more details. Note when writing TEAL, you may refer to these values as either their enum value or the unsigned integer value. A useful example to show the power of onCompletion is when you want to update an existing contract with new approval and ClearState logic. You would issue an application call transaction with the onCompletion field set to value 4, which is also represented as an enum UpdateApplication. This allows you to update a smart contract after it has already been deployed. Lastly, all of these onCompletion values are defined as part of the transaction, so can be set by the user. This means someone can submit an update application call to your smart contract, and if you don't add checks against it, can easily take over control of the application account. Therefore, the onCompletion value is traditionally one of the very first checks a TEAL program will do before branching to additional checks or hitting an error opcode if the onCompletion call isn't supported.